Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets buried in corporate filings. Today we're diving into Keen Vision Acquisition Corporation's latest report, and let's just say there is a bit of a rescheduling act happening. So Keen Vision Acquisition Corporation, or KVAC as they're known, filed this report on the 15th of April. This is a company that is essentially a shell company looking for another company to merge with, a popular strategy often called a SPAC, or Special Purpose Acquisition Company. Now the main story here is an update on a merger deal they've been working on. Remember that deal with Medera Incorporated? Well, it looks like they've had to push back the deadlines. This isn't uncommon in these types of deals, as negotiations can get complex. Originally, they had an agreement, a letter of intent or LOI, to get a final deal done by the 10th of April of 2026. This is what they call a binding letter of intent. But like many things in business, plans change. So they've amended this agreement. They've now extended that deadline to the 30th of April 2026. This just means they need a little more time to work out the final details of this merger agreement. It is a bit of a dance, and these SPAC deals often have these extensions. It is important to note that KVAC has different classes of securities. They have their ordinary shares, which are the basic ownership stakes in the company. They also have warrants, which are like options to buy shares at a certain price, in this case $11.5. This is KVACW as listed on the NASDAQ. Interestingly, Keen Vision Acquisition Corporation is identifying itself as an emerging growth company. This designation allows them certain regulatory flexibilities, especially around financial reporting for a period after going public. This particular filing is a standard update to let everyone know about the material or important change in their merger agreement timeline. It is signed by Kenneth Kachun Wong, the Chief Executive Officer, indicating the company's leadership is actively managing this process. So, what does this extension really mean? On one hand, it could signal that the deal is progressing, but there are complexities that need sorting out. On the other hand, repeated extensions can sometimes raise questions about the certainty of the merger itself. However, for Keen Vision Acquisition Corporation, this is a critical step. They are a company that exists to acquire another business, so the success of this merger is essentially their entire raisin D tree. From a broader perspective, given that this is an 8K filing, it's usually about significant events. Here, the significant event is the amendment to the merger agreement deadline. There isn't a lot of deep financial data in this specific filing. It is more about transactional updates, but understanding these updates is key for anyone following the company. Now, looking at the big picture for Keen Vision Acquisition Corporation, their entire strategy hinges on this merger. If this deal with Medera Inc. goes through, Medera will essentially become the public company. If it falls apart, Keen Vision will likely have to search for another target or return capital to its shareholders. The extension suggests they are still committed to the Medera deal, which is a positive sign for those who believed in that specific combination. However, investors should always be aware of the risks involved in SPAC mergers, including the possibility of deal failure. It is a high-stakes game of finding the right partner and navigating the regulatory and business complexities. Alright, that is our quick decode of Keen Vision Acquisition Corporation's latest filing. What is your take on these merger deadline extensions? Do you see them as a sign of progress or potential trouble? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight talk on corporate filings. And don't forget to join our Discord community for deeper discussions. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.